Alright, so I got my hole drilled. Everything's ready to go. Excuse me. I don't know if you can see that there. We got our hole for our nozzle, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to cut a step so that we can put a pan underneath. Just in the side, just enough so that the pan can slide under and sit there without going anywhere. So when the shot rolls out of our nozzle, it'll just drop that little bit of the bolt and roll right down the pan into the coolant. So let's cut our step. Alright, so we started cutting our step there. As you can see it, I think you can see it. That step. I'm going to make that a little bit deeper and we'll come back and we'll finish this thing up.